Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. Well, there's been a change of plan today. We headed to Dumaguete 3:45 this morning, and my valve stem is leaking air. So, needless to say, we drove about a half a mile from the house, had a flat tire. The tire come off the rim. I had to push the thing back a half a mile. Now we're over here in Guihulngan. It looks like the valve stem is bad. So we just bought a brand new valve stem and we're gonna put it on the motorcycle. We don't have enough time to go down to Dumaguete today. So we're gonna try it once again in the morning. But yeah, we got...
Nothing more.
Yeah, this guy's gonna put a new valve stem on there. You can see the one we just bought. It's a metal one. The one we have is a rubber one. You know, when I just bought that tire, I should have put a new one of these on, but we didn't. We didn't. Now we had our first problem. Yeah, this store has just about everything. They got tires, shocks, rims, handle grips, handlebars, front forks. Got a press. They got a little bit of everything. You got a tire changer. Yeah, I was not planning on being broke down today. Huh? Let's go over to see my friend. Hello! This guy is the pastor of the First Baptist Church here in Guihulngan. How you doing today?
Yeah.
Doing good?
Yeah, doing good. And
Good.
I'm back again to work
Yeah.
every day.
I hear ya. How you doing?
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
How can I help you?
I'm just talking with my friend here.
Okay.
He's a good friend of mine. He's a good friend of mine.
Okay.
He's the pastor of the Baptist church, so I figured I'll come visit him.
You visited right there.
Huh?
You visited right there.
Oh, no, I'm okay. Yeah, we was headed to Dumaguete this morning. We had to go down there. My tire was flat. We drove all the way over to Paliadon, about a half mile from the house. My tire was flat, it come off. I had to push it about a half mile back home. We got some air in it, drove it over here.
What time in the morning?
3:45 in the morning.
Very early morning.
Very early. Yeah, I don't like Dumaguete traffic, so I leave very early. I get down there, get stuff done, get out of there.
Yeah, you are the first of the bird.
That's the way to be. That's the way to be. So how you been?
Yeah.
Doing good?
Good.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
When you can here?
Huh?
When you come visiting my church?
Well, I'm going to come visit your church soon, my friend. It's just been so much going on. We had a death, another COVID death over there,
Where?
right beside us,
Is there?
in Himalado.
Malalo?
Yeah, we had another COVID death over there. They shut down the brown guy right next to me.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah, so I just found out about this morning. They got that whole place shut down where you can't even go in and out.
What's wrong with your motor?
Valve stem on a rear tire.
Tire?
Yeah, rear tire, valve stem. Got a leaky valve stem. But yeah, they shut down the whole barangay over there. You can't go in, can't go out. And it's just right next to our barangay. Yeah, I tell you what, I have subscribers telling me there's nothing here, no COVID-19. It's here, it is here, and I don't know what to tell people. But yeah, we had another death, and we have multiple cases now over there, multiple. So I don't know what to think. I'm hoping to get this stuff taken care of. Oh, I gotta go over there and look at my tire. I want to go in there and see what's going on with it. Yeah. I'll be back in a second. I want to make sure he got everything taken care of. Anything bad in there? Got a leak right there? Looks like a rock puncture. Well, we might have had a rock puncture too. Agnes's little brother's been taking it up there into the mountains. I don't know where he's been.
Oh,
What?
there's a nail.
There's a nail? Okay, we got a nail too. So, that's good. Honey, we would have had a flat tire in the morning. Got a nail. Well, that's good. That's good. We got it. We're not going to have to worry about it tomorrow. Where my guy's been working is right there on our driveway. They've been scattering nails out everywhere. I'm surprised it hasn't happened sooner. I mean, the other day they was doing something, building something, and they had nails scattered all up and down through there. I tried to pick up after them, but
Tie wire, honey.
tie wire? Oh, tie wire. There's no telling where you got that. You could have got that up there in the mountains. All right, we had tie wire. But he's gonna get it fixed. I'm gonna get a new valve stem and I will be good to go. He found tie wire. Tie wire. Wire for putting rebars together. Tie wire. Yeah. So I had wire through my tire. So they're gonna fix it. Well, it's a nice Kawasaki. The KLX. Now I need one of those for the mountains. That's exactly what I need for the mountains. I like that. What's the price tag on that? Cash price, 127,000 pesos. Okay. 36 months, 5,000 down.
I have my second-hand motorcycle. I put it in the exam.
Right there? Ah. That one? The Smash? Yeah, the little Smash.
Yeah, second-hand, then my balance is 26,000 only.
26K? Yeah. We're going to be getting Agnes something like that. I've been processing my 13A permanent resident visa. I'm almost a Filipino now. Almost there. Yeah, they got some great bikes here. Agnes, she needs something. This is where we needed an extra bike this morning. That would have saved us a problem. Hello. This would have saved us a problem. I'm gonna head back over here and see what they're doing. I want to make sure they get that done right. Well, we got the trash truck here. Yeah, here in Negros, there's not a lot of people that repair tubeless tires. Very few. I'm glad he found that, because the last guy looked at it this morning and said there was nothing in there. He took it apart and he said there was nothing in there. So he didn't do a very good job. I told Agnes, we got something going on, so, uh-oh. I'm not sure what's going on here. noisy. Parade. Guihulngan's a busy little place, I'll tell you what. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, how you doing? Busy place. Hello. Yeah, this road right here takes you straight up into the mountains. Actually, if you follow this road all the way out, I believe it takes you all the way to the, what is it? The Chocolate Hills. I think it's this road. It's either this one or the one going that way, the one going back to the right. I'm not sure which one. Take a right and you hang another left. Hello. Busy day here. Yeah, he's gonna clean it up, put a nice patch on it. Huh? Well, it is what it is. Yeah, I wouldn't. At the time, I couldn't find the right tire for my bike. I looked all over in Dumaguete. We went and found one. They told me it was only $1,800. I said, my God, that's awful cheap. Sure you got the right price on it? He said, that's the right price. I said, oh no, I'm going to be getting me a cheap tire. cheap in quality and cheap in price. So, yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. But anyway, guys, I thought I'd give you kind of an update today, tell you what's going on. I mean, it's really depressing. We got up early, got ready, got on the motorcycle. I mean, the motorcycle tire looked fine at the time, but we started, got a half an hour down the road, and the tire comes off the rim on one side, and needless to say, we thought we crashed. Thank goodness we wasn't going that fast yet. But it is what it is. So hopefully this will take care of it. You pass, you bounce in, and we won't have to worry about it. So anyway, I want everyone to continue to give us a thumbs up for our videos, and we will definitely catch you guys on the very next video. Peace out.